Good morning. This is how we're gonna do maintenance for your dishwasher. So we have dishwasher here. We use this finish. We're gonna use this powder for this compartment of this dishwasher. All right, let's close it up. All right, liquid jet flush liquid. Fill up this hole until it's full. It will take this 2 weeks, or it depends how you're gonna use your dishwasher. And when it's full, cover it up. Restart the dishwasher. I'm gonna choose your speeds. Okay. And after you finish this, it's all set. You can put your dish or ready to go.